I'm balled up. Great dark, can't see nothing. Peekaboo! Let's see if this has got 12 inches between. Bouncing my head up against there. I got that hitting there. And I'm trying to control all this. And I'm trying to get this suction going. Now I'm stuck over there. All right. These are absolutely just the worst. Hello, coming in. Hey, lights, 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 lights. Holy smokes, this is gonna be a good one. Oops, yeah. Oh, careful, careful with the equipment. More furniture moving in the bathroom of all things. Lovely, in case you need company, I guess. Okay, let's see how this new lens does. Dark. See if it can keep up. So, a lot of this foaming, I think, is residue from their cleaner too, by the way. So it must be leaving something behind. So let's see if this has got 12 inches between. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's the money right there. Give it a little jump. Wow, is that coming out great? yeah. Perfect. Okay, this is our Tsunami alkaline tile and grout cleaner, by the way. It's just hammering it on it. That's all it takes. Microfiber towel. The agitation will clean it up. All right, let's see how the dark corner is. Cleaning pretty incredible, but I don't know if you're going to be able to see it here. Oh, there, I got it. They're gonna make me get on my hands and knees to scrub those corners edges. Thanks a lot. And there. Yep. Oh my gosh, come on. Give me the hose. I'm balled up. All right. It's coming out pretty good. Again, I'm gonna have to get on my hands and knees though and take care of some stuff here. Oh. This. Don't touch it, Mark. It's gonna fall over with that dang big lens on it. Oh, there's even raw haze in here. No wonder. All right. Just love it. Just love it. No, I don't today. Great, dark. Can't see nothing. Come on, light, light, light. Overexposure. Oh my gosh, cleaning these alone absolutely is total hatred. All right. Get a door wedge. And this door, got that from Chip Garber, by the way. Fat Ivan. Who are you calling Fat Ivan? All right, let's get on this. These are absolutely just the worst to try and clean. Tight. I just got done moving furniture for like 3.5 hours, I swear. And cleaning carpet. Try it again. Hold it. All right. Let's get it. Come on, focus. I don't got time for this. That'll show you. feel like I made some headway. At least those toilet bowls are clean. Up, get out of there. Peekaboo. The last little bit.
Oh, and of course, you don't fit. Hands and knees.
Oh my gosh. So I'm bouncing my head up against there. I got that hitting there. And I'm trying to control all this. And I'm trying to get the suction going. Now I'm stuck over there. Skinny up. And now the hose will not come with me. You suck. Okay, all right. I give up. Oh, come on. One of the worst tile and grout cleaning experiences I've had. Well, that's been quite the day there. Did 1,550 square feet of carpeting just before this 200 square feet of tile and grout that wanted to whoop my tail. And anyway, plus moved all them tables today. Hey, we got a golf cart. So anyway, it's been a long day, and that tile and grout job was not the easiest. Wave to our, what do you expect, dude? It's a golf course. But anyway, thanks again for being here. Check out the channel. Bugs are free. Give us a comment, a thumbs up, and a like if you would. And oh my goodness, these are terrible. Subscribe if you would too. We'd love to see you back again. We have some really good greasy, grimy ones that you'll enjoy all over the place. Oh my goodness, this outtake is going terrible. But anyway, so look forward to seeing the next one. Maybe it'll be mosquito season now too. That's wonderful. Minnesota, you just don't disappoint. Oh my gosh. It's good. Miley! Come here, Miley! Come here, honey! Come on! Come on! Are all the kids scaring you, huh? Look at, there she is too, super puppy. How are you doing, Luna? Huh? Come on, stick around. Hi there, Miley May. Are you better now? Hi, come here. Don't take off so far. No, stay over here, baby. Atta girl, come on. Stay over here. Luna, you want to go get your dog? Come on. Girls, huh? Yeah, it's pretty nice out, huh? Much better, much better. All right. You think so, Miley? What do you think, Miley? You do? Oh, that's good, Miley. Yes, he's just our little chatterbox. Everybody, thanks again for being here. I gotta run, so hey, bye. One more bye? You gonna say bye, Miley? Say bye. What? Bye. You too?